Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Venmo app issue, the server return an error. If the error doesn't include specific instruction, try this troubleshooting step in order. They often resolve most issues. First of all, make sure you are connected to the internet and have enough storage memory available on your device. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off to see if it resolves the issues. Then log out of your Venmo account and back in. Then delete the Venmo app and reinstall it. After that, make sure your device OS is up to date. If you have tried the above troubleshooting but issues persists, please contact their website. You can call for help with payments to friends, transfer, and more at this number. By following these steps, you can easily fix Venmo app issue, the server return, and error. Thanks for watching.